Okay, number 33 is Bud Crowner. Okay, Rock Creek, Ohio. Bud Crowner driving. It's a 379 Peterbilt, 1992. And the next truck, HLH Trucking, Pierpont, Ohio. Rich Hart driving. It's a Peterbilt, 389, 2009 Peterbilt. Next truck coming up, number 18, okay, HLH Trucking out of Pierpont, Ohio. Ryan Alvera driving. It's a Peterbilt. It's a 2003, 89, 1914, 2014 Peterbilt. Next truck coming up, the blue Peterbilt. Number 19, HLH Trucking, Pierpont, Ohio. Dave Millard driving. It's a Peterbilt, 389, 2014 Peterbilt.
I like the black one. That's one of those fancy ones.
The truck following that one is a black Peterbilt. It's a number 20, HLH Trucking out of Pierpont, Ohio. Lionel Graber. It's a Peterbilt, 389, a 2008 model. Next truck is number 21, it's a red Peterbilt. HLH Trucking, Pierpont, Ohio. Bill Brooks driving. It's a Peterbilt, 389 of 2014. It's a Peterbilt, 389 to 2013. The next truck, number 28, is owned by Tom Uhad out of Crowell, Ohio. Bill Pineri driving it. It's an International 2013. It's a 99005.
Yeah, Jeff Greg's on it. It had an 18-speed cat motor in it.
The next truck is number 29. Greg Anderson out of Kingsville, Ohio. Greg Anderson driving. It's an AM General, MC General, a 1986, a military truck. Right here you see it's a 5-ton coming by. 6-wheel drive. The next truck, okay, is owned by John Torrance, okay, F-Bar Transportation, Salem, Ohio. John Torrance driving. It's a Peterbilt, 389, 2014. The next truck is number 16, okay, Richard Whittington, Kingsville, Ohio. Mike Bugley driving, Pierpont, Ohio. It's a Freightliner, U20, 1999, Arrowhead Truck Service. The next truck, number 30, is Ray Newhart of Jefferson, Ohio. Ray Newhart driving. Is it GMC Top Kick 1996 6000 it's an international 7,400 square foot. Okay, I think it's a max square foot for 2013 Roger Snow in the wintertime. I want to thank you all. Please stick around for the awards, and there's more